If you're looking for another delivery app to make extra money, you've probably come across FRAYT. But the real question is, can you actually make money with it? FRAYT is a last-mile delivery platform that connects drivers with businesses needing everything from small packages to larger items delivered. Unlike food delivery apps, you're mainly handling business deliveries, and some gigs can pay significantly more depending on the distance and the size of the load. The good news is that drivers appreciate the flexibility. You choose which deliveries to accept, work on your own schedule, and there's no requirement to stay online for a set number of hours. However, earnings can vary a lot based on your location. In busy cities with plenty of businesses, you'll likely see more delivery opportunities. In smaller markets, jobs may be less frequent. Overall, FRAYT isn't a guaranteed full-time income, but it can be a solid side hustle if it's active in your area. If you already own a pickup truck, cargo van, or even a standard vehicle, it could be worth signing up and testing the waters. If you've driven for FRAYT, let us know your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest app reviews.